Ngasi Manipur ki tongan ba district singda state force amadi security personnel singna coming operation chathabada yamlaba khulai sing fagat pangamle amadi Manipur da tangdu leita ba hanjilakle haina security advisor Kuldip Singna fongdokre ngasi CM secretary ta pangthoki ba pawgi mifam amada wafam ase fongdokladuna Kuldip Singna hai Manipur ki chief minister na numit 15 gi mamangda police station singdagi munkiba khulai sing adu pikhalaknaba appeal tawkhraba matung ngasidagi coming operation chathaba haure operation assisted police samadi security force amasung magistrate yauna lut tawkiba khulai sing adu fangdriba fawa chathakigani haire ngasigi oina Churachandpur Imphal West Imphal East Thawbal amadi Kaksing district ta coming operation chathaki maduda afaba makhagi nomai 13 maru kun nomai maru sanaba kantrok kilogram ani inchi Anigi mortar, hand grenade, khutna semba, mortar tara, radio set ani, police amadi security force ke uniform kharaga, BP jacket amadi amasung, ahamba magazine sing fagat kre haina pawdam ki, how kiba October 3 Churachandpur gi Zalen Kol Khunda operation chathabada, 51mm mortar ama, carbine ama, country made pistol mari, khunda saba nomai amadi maru sanaba kantroksu fagat kre. Operation amada Churachandpur gi khosavung khundagi miyoi ama Churachandpur police amadi AR gi apunba team amana lupala kunga konana Indo Myanmar border dagi fare hari. Miyoi ase Myanmar da mayai kaba chinjak natraga khutsu khulai leiba chatpa oiramba yai hari.
Today, combing operation was carried on at different places, which I will mention to you. As and when we get intelligence, we will keep on doing it, involving all the security forces, local police, magistrates and everyone. In today's operation, it was held in Churachandpur district, Imphal East, Imphal West, Kakshin and Thawbal districts, in which 11 sophisticated arms, 20 rounds of ammunition, 2 kg of gunpowder, 51 mm, that is called 2-inch mortar, 136 HE grenade, 10 improvised mortars, Pompey, which we call generally in local language, and then 2 radio sets, some BP jackets, empty magazines, then the uniform also. You must have heard that number of times miscreants are using various uniforms of police and other security forces. That has also been recovered, about 5 shirts and 1 pant. Yesterday there was a video. There was a video yesterday. Now that video also we have verified. That video is a sequel of event which happened after the on the 4th May itself. I do not have exactly the name at the moment, but the person's name is found out, and that person's body is lying in the hospital here. We are looking for all unauthorized arms, but especially for the looted arms, We are looking for all unauthorized arms. If someone is having unauthorized arms which has not been looted, he is not authorized to keep it. That is also being recovered. Even you see the number of arms which we have recovered, in that large number of unsophisticated and country-made arms are also there. So we are not leaving that out. We are taking that also. But primarily to recover our weapons, the police weapons. Because you see large number of weapons have gone. That NIA has said that they have foreign elements. If NIA approaches us and requests for any kind of help, we will extend them help. And if they have any kind of those which you are saying that there is a foreign element, they can take it up with other agencies at Delhi itself, and that can be taken up with the foreign country. There is no issue on that. And if sue or sue agreement or anything is also coming in between, NIA is sitting in Delhi, they can take it up with the MHA, and MHA is very much part of this sue. They can take call on that. I do not have information like that on that, and I do not have any instruction for doing anything on that.